Welcome to Business Cafe Express. Magandang Saturday morning po sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin sa lahat ng panig ng mundo.
Good morning, partner. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. And the sun is up.
That's
here
right.
in Metro Manila.
The sun is up with Business Cafe Express. Kami po ang inyong mga kasama ko po si Professor L. Pagulayan Buelva.
At ako naman po si Mys Sandico.
Wow.
Welcome.
So how's your week?
Nako, it's very hectic. Alam mo naman na Tectonic Summit na this coming Friday and
That's right.
Saturday. So, yun, punta po kayo on June 22-23 sa SMX MOA.
That would be on this Friday and
Saturday for Tectonic Summit.
This is the biggest technology event
in the Philippines. At syempre, congratulations to all the winners of the famous awards night. Nandun tayo sa Soler Theater.
Dapat may news kami. Anyway, sa mga susunod na episodes siguro we'll try to make some business news sa mga pinupuntahan natin.
Yes.
Especially Tectonic.
Yeah, please be there.
Magkaroon tayo ng business news about Tectonic.
You can log in sa Eventbrite po kasi this is free for everyone. You can get your passes. Eventbrite Tectonic Summit 2018 and it will be emailed to you. Just bring the pass and we will give you the wristband during the event.
This is a free entrance.
For everyone.
Okay, special thanks to SPB Top International Incorporated, the makers of G-Bio, G-Minds. Hindi mo pa natatry yung G-Minds, yung pag-open ng inner midbrain, no?
Okay.
At magiging guest natin sila dito sa ating mga programa.
Yes.
Okay? Let's get the ball rolling.
Ang dami nating guests for today. Exciting.
Okay.
So our first guest is
an author of a book. Ayan.
Moneyrism. Please welcome Mr. John Anyayahan.
Ayan. Good morning.
Thank you po, Prof.
Good morning.
Ayan. Sorry kanina, meron tayong technical problem kanina. But we're back. Ayan.
Yes.
I-share sa mga nanonood po sa atin, i-share nyo po. Meron tayo sa ilalim dyan nakalagay. Share para mapanood yung mga kaibigan.
Yes.
At maganda yung topic natin. It's about mannerism.
Money.
Mannerism.
What's the good news about the book, Sir John?
Entitled is Moneyrism to Success. Combined in one principle kasi I'm a financial planner also and then a
When you're a CPA.
Yes, and an advocate and a value investor. So I combine the mannerism, which is the MANERISM, which is an attitude towards money, so that you can have your own success, your own definition of success. Kaya mannerism to success. Kasi mahilig din naman ako sa mga empowerment, something like that. Positive lang.
So we really one of the maganda talaga maging empowerment natin sa mga tao ay to help them how to plan yung kanilang mga finances.
Of course, proper mindset ka, sabi mo, John. So, ano ba dapat ang proper mindset natin about money?
The proper mindset should be more on how you save, paano yung araw-araw na ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. Pagising mo ba, hindi mo naman inisip yung pera, syempre for the family. This is all for the family. And lagi mong isipin that money is just a tool. It should never be your end goal.
Correct.
Ito ang nakakatulong sa atin.
Right.
So eventually, how you save o how you expense yung mga gastos natin, normal nating gastos, matutulungan ka ng book na to. Something na, kasi ito yung foundation lahat nandito na.
But yung kising paggasta.
Yes.
Yung budgeting, paggastos, pag-dispense ng pera is really a bad habit. Ang hirap. It's a really bad
habit to break.
Ang hirap niyan.
Lalo na kung ang lifestyle mo is beyond your kinikita.
Maraming guilty dyan. No? Sometimes kasi when we get our salary, some of the people get their salary, nag-splurge, no? One day millionaire. Di ba?
Yes.
Yun nga, kasi kung yung bad habit natin, una muna, actually, nag-start sa mindset. Sabi nga ni Henry Ford, if you think you can, or if you think you cannot, you are always right. So parang, kung ano inisip mo, yun ka na. So, the next thing, connected kasi the mindset to habit. And then that habit kasi, sabi ko, 95% of our subconscious thinking or subconscious na ginagawa sa buhay natin is driven by, automatic na lang siya. Sila na nagdidikta sa atin. So, we need to have a conscious thinking sa pag-save or pag-i-invest. And ang pangit yan, kung hindi mo pa alam yung process. So, ito, start natin sa mindset, habit, eventually, magkakaroon, kaya yan 5 ways to skyrocket your chances. First is mindset. Second is habit.
Okay.
Third is taking action, taking
Alright.
massive action.
Okay.
Fourth is changing strategy.
Okay.
And fifth, which is the best na gusto ko, is being a catalyst of change. So kapag naging okay ka na, and then you're well off because of this book or because sa pag-aaral mo, continuous study, you can help others
You can
as
extend
well.
help.
Yes, diba?
Siyempre, mas kapag na-manage natin na maayos yung ating pera, at nakaipon tayo, nakapag-invest tayo,
Yes.
meron tayong pwedeng ipantulong sa kapwa natin.
Yes. Sabi nga nila, kung wala ka daw bubunutin, wala kang maibibigay. So, kailangan may bubunot ka. Marami ding savings dapat.
Kaya tsaka mali nga yung sinasabi, meron kasabihan na kapag maikli daw ang kumot, matutong mamaluktot.
Hindi
Mali.
pwedeng nakabaluktot ka na lang.
Hindi pwedeng bumili ka ng malaking kumot para hindi ka mamaluktot.
Same with income and expenses.
Yeah.
Kung hirap ka na sa saving, it might be wala ka ma-save. Ang
Yeah.
hirap nun. So you need to increase your income.
Yun.
Something like that. So case to case
You need
yan.
to invest
Yes,
para
yes.
magkaroon ng
yes.
profit. Ang
That's
iyong
the fourth
money.
strategy.
Okay.
The changing strategy or creating a money machines.
Ayan,
Yung money machines. As in,
Tuloy-tuloy.
natutulog ka, it's
Passive.
passive income.
Gumagana.
Yes, yes.
Passive income.
Alam mo, ano yan ang dami ng mga advocacies about na maayos natin yung ating finances. Ano ang difference sa approach mo na ma-convince na ang mga taong nanonood sa atin ngayon to read and sundan yung nasa libro mo?
Okay.
Yung mga habits.
Since I've been on a training like I can say here. So,
Oh, sige.
basta on a training, something
Okay.
like that. Ang napansin ko when I read books, I'm a very rin kasi passionate in reading books.
Yan.
Tsaka mga
Okay.
seminars. Ang nababasa ko karamihan, the technicalities lang. Like how to invest, ganito. Pero when I studied it on a very bottom level, talagang mindset Kasi hindi, kung matutuwa
So,
ka
starts
kapag
here.
matutuwa ka when pinag-aralan mo in details or deep dive ng mindset is maraming nakapaloob doon, hindi lang actually the financial, the health. 'Di ba, alam mo pag sa health nga gusto mo mag-exercise, alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Alam mo na.
Correct.
Eat the right foods, ganito 'yan. Ganito din sa mindset. Alam mo na paano mag-save, pero hindi mo magawa kasi driven ka ng isang bad habit na something na gusto ko lang i-break din na yung bad habit, like kung sanay ka ng mangutang, sanay ka na ng ganito, sanay ka na ng something dati kung mahilig ka sa chicharon, something like that, pwede ka na mag-start ka ng kumain ng gulay, something like that na
May pagbabago
kung
gawin.
sanay ka na ng ganon, sabi ko nga like pagbabayad ng utang, something like you need to invest, parang ang mindset mo hindi, babayad na naman ako ng utang.
Gusto kong balikan yung utang na yan.
Oo.
Pero bago natin balikan yung
Ang
utang na
daming
yan.
mabati ngayon.
Ano, ang dami.
araw na
Baka
to.
magalit sa atin to. Watching from Hong Kong, si Eva Visperas.
Eva.
Ayan. Nards Pabilona, I'm here. Ayan, he's watching. Si Wilfred Joseph. Si Judith Montero Tan. Hi, Miss Judith. Nasaan siya? Nasa US.
Wow.
Balikan na. Watching from Pasay City, si Mau. Si Wilfred Joseph. Wow, artistahin. Kuya J, artistahin ka na. Anthony Sakare. Proud
Ay, may
of
wife.
my
May
hubby,
wife.
si Elisor in
Yes, that's
in
my wife.
Leyte.
Hello.
Ayan.
Ang dami mong fans.
Si Judith Tan ay nasa San Francisco
San
pala.
Francisco. Oh, I love San Francisco. I left my heart.
Beng Del Mundo is watching. Hello po sa kay Luchi Katapang, lokal ng Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Hello po.
Magandang tanghali po from Namazu, Japan. Si Alan Egaran. Ayan, si
Hello.
Joey Bacanis
Coach
watching.
Joey.
Ayan, hello sa asawa ko sa River Bend, Calgary. Ayan, sabi ni Ate Beng. Watching from New Era University, Batangas. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo. God bless all of you.
Batangas po.
God bless
Ay,
you
kayo
too.
naman ka. Ang aking bakasyon na nailipa. No?
Lipa.
Ay, oo. Si Lario Del Mundo, ayan. I'm watching Honey High River, Alberta. Ako, Honey. Ayan.
Okay.
Albert. Watching from Kuwait. Ayan, ang dami pa.
Ang dami.
Sa Kuwait ay si Oscar de la Cruz. Ayan pa. Mamaya na yung iba. Ang dami pa. Ayan.
We'll
Mga
give
new learners na
everyone
natin.
later. We'll try our
Balik natin yung
best.
utang. Very quickly, I want this maging concern ng ating mga nanonood sa atin, no. Kasi sa mall, no, maraming nag-offer ng mga zero interest na
Installment
credits,
plan.
installment plan, instant 1 hour approve ka na.
But you have to spend an amount.
Since John is a CPA, and he's advocacy on good and bad debt.
Yes.
Ayun. Paano ba natin ititreat yung mga zero interest na to? At kapag na-delay tayo, ano nagiging problema?
Yes. Since credit card ngayon is mostly 3% per month. Super laki. Unlike sa your saving naman is less than 1%. Actually, it's 0.25% lang. Diba?
In a bank, yes.
Yes, di ba? So, talagang lugi ka doon. So, but credit card, don't take me wrong, credit card is very good.
Yep.
Kaya lang you need to have parang i-specify mo if it's good debts or parang bad debts nga kung
and good habits as well in spending.
Yes, kaya 'di ba, pag hindi mo nabayaran ng full 'yan, yun yung pangit.
Oo, kasi pag na-delay
may
ka,
interests.
mayroon siyang cumulative computation
Yes.
that yung interest mo pataas ng pataas.
Ang daming horror stories.
Yan,
Diba?
nga pa, horrifying stories, di ba?
Yes. Siguro gusto ko lang nasa mindset ko na kanina na when you're paying, siguro dun sa lubog sa utang or bound sa utang, ang isipin nyo, try to invest. Gusto ko lang baguhin yung mindset niya. Hindi po kayo magbabayad. You're investing. And that, when you're investing, ang mindset mo, that you're investing. But actually, that investment niyan will pay for your debts.
Okay. Yun.
I-reroute lang natin. Unlike pag yun, kasama po yun doon, dito sa buko, para hindi masakit ang pagbabayad.
Okay.
Hindi yun.
Investing
Rather,
will help
yes.
rather than spending and
Spending.
spending.
Ayan, sige, invite mo na sila sa iyong book, Mannerism to Success.
Yes.
Kailan ba ilo-launch?
This will be launched this...
Actually, pre-launching pa lang.
Yes.
Congratulations!
Second-
Invite us on your launching.
Yes po. Second week to third week of July po yung launching niya.
Invited kami
Sure,
dyan.
sure,
Miss
sure.
Next month na
Opo,
pala.
Yes. And please like our Facebook page, Moneyrism to Success, and my personal page is John Anyayahan, and my personal website is www.JohnAnyayahan.com. And kung halimbawa, if you want something inspirational, something like, kasi Moneyrism to Success, something like that, www.betterlifewithkuyaj.com.
You can
Ayun.
share all your success stories.
And
May Kuya J
something
pala.
na very helpful, I founded the Pinoy Money Mentors.
Money Mentors.
Yes po.
Money
lang
Mentors.
Specific,
Ayan.
mainly for Pinoys.
Dahil sa ikaw ay may libro, ikaw naman ibibigyan namin ng gadgets, our official magazine.
Asuko, no?
Have time to read it.
Yes, thank you.
Ayan, thank you
Thank you,
for
John.
coming. Okay, so pagbalik natin, Miss Mys, our guest
We'll
is
talk about education technology.
and is from a different country.
From Austria!
Yan ay sa pagbabalik ng Business Cafe Express.